That's why we do this. We spend a lot of money on the vehicle. We want to be able to enjoy the vehicle and to not worry about it on a day-to-day basis.
Hi, it's Immaculate Paint Protection. Standing here in front of a 2023 Corvette Z06. The owners, we've done 4 of the previous vehicles. They're here with their 5th vehicle. It's now their Z06 Corvette that they love and cherish. Yesterday, they were down in Kentucky at the Bowling Green Corvette National Museum. So they picked it up in Kentucky. They drove it 829 miles, Immaculate Paint Protection. It's here for paint protection film, ceramic coating. This is going to be the 5th vehicle for this family we've done now, so we're really blessed. Really fortunate to have great clients that keep coming back to us. So let's talk about what we got going on with the vehicle here. So they put temporary paint protection film on the vehicle to get it up here. So what they did is they essentially put a temporary partial front end package, and you can see there's a line going across here. There's no paint protection film on here now. We took that off. We can show you how we took that off. But what it shows is that this front end of the car is essentially clean, and this in here, the reason we see this is just road grind. That's all it is. It's 829 miles of road grind for being on the road. So there's no rock chips. Everything's good here. That's how paint protection. So we're going to put paint protection film on the whole hood, so we won't have a line, the whole fender, so the line won't stop there. Something else we could talk about here, I don't know if you can grab this on camera or not, but if you look at the top here, you see some of this tracer lines through here. That's machine marks. So somebody, the factory, or do the prep process, they tried to polish or paint correct this out, and they didn't go to that final refinement step to remove all of that haze. So we're going to wash the car down. We're going to be able to fix that. That's not the end of the world. It's not a super bad defect, but we're going to polish all that off. When it's polished out, put the ceramic coating on, then it becomes a show car. We're going to put some paint protection film along this quarter panel and along these scallops here, these scoops. But the reason you can see some of the road. Maybe they ran through it was raining or something. So, that's where the air is kicking back. That's an indication that potentially you get some stone chips, rock chips. But the big thing here about paint protection film along a quarter panel in a car with a rear engine is that when they go to service it, they might be leaning up against it. When they take it to the car show and they open up the hatch and they show this awesome Z06 power plant in here, somebody has a tendency to come up and they want to lean up against the car. We're not going to do that. Obviously, it's not our vehicle, but you could scratch it, so paint protection film will stop that from happening. And so we're going to put paint protection film along the rocker panel section here from the front to the back. That's a nice area that's going to get a lot of impact from the road down there. We're not going to wash the car full sun at 85-degree weather. We need to get the vehicle inside, out of the sunlight. So let's recap. Thorough wash, paint correction, paint protection film, then the ceramic coating. So we're going to be 3 to 4 days into it. We'll break this up in a couple video series for you here. Paint protection film goes on first, and then the ceramic coating can go on top of the paint protection film. The reason being is the ceramic coating is going to make it easy to wash, easy to clean the vehicle. It's going to add some gloss to it, naturally, but we want those properties on top of the PPF. The other reason we don't go backwards and we don't put ceramic coating on before paint protection film is if we put the ceramic coating on, it's going to add some slickness. It's going to reduce the surface energy on the paint. That just means that PPF will be more likely to lift off on some of the seams and that. So it's going to affect the install. So one, you lose the benefits of the ceramic coating and you have a worse install on PPF. That's no good. So that's why we do things in the proper order here.
Well, we've been really fortunate to be able to get this car. They're very high demand. And, so we were able to order it, and fortunate enough to, like I said, have it delivered at the museum in Bowling Green. Wrapped it all up before we came back home to keep it from getting all beat up, and arrived here with it in really great shape for Bill to take care of. And like I said, it's phenomenal work. That's why we're back. This is number 5 vehicle that he's worked on for us. And the reality is that we just want to drive it. We want to be able to enjoy the vehicle. We want to not worry about it on a day-to-day basis. So that's why we do this. We spend a lot of money on the vehicle, and to enjoy it, I don't want to be worried. So we'll have Bill go over the car, protect it, and then when I'm going down the road, hey, if something flies up and hits the side panel, I'm not really worried about it because I know there's something there that's protecting it. Even if something does hit the film and makes a mark in the film, I can always get that piece of film replaced as compared to respraying a car that's thousands of dollars. So like I said, that's why we keep coming back. We love Bill. He does a great job. His customer service is phenomenal, and like I said, I think the best you find.
Thanks, Greg. Appreciate it. Lisa, do you have anything to say?
No.
No? What do you think? Oh, this is the 5th car though. I did your Jeep. Everything's good?
Everything's good, yeah. Jeep is good. I'm looking forward to driving the car. Like Greg said, we brought it straight here from the museum, so I haven't really had a chance to enjoy it. I mean, we had 800 miles, but it was highway. So now that we're sure it's protected, looking forward to taking it out.
Test that throttle pedal a little more.
Yeah. It's broke in, right?
It is.
Yes.
All right, so no speeding tickets on the way home, guys.
That's right.
All right, thank you. Appreciate the business again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for sticking along to the end. If you can hit the subscribe and like button. We have the wash kits available. We have different wash kits. Everything we showed you here today is available for sale at IMMACULATEPaintProtection.com. Follow our process. You're going to wind up with a tool set that's nicer than most professional detailers out there. And we also have some full feature-length videos on a Tesla, on a couple pickup trucks. You can check those out on YouTube or check us out on our website at IMMACULATEPaintProtection.com for the full feature-length videos.